Okay, class, moving on to markups. So we've talked about sales tax and discount, and they're pretty similar. Markups is not too much different. We're going to write some similar steps you're going to see. First of all, markup is basically the amount that a company or business has to mark up the price so that they can make money off of it. So a manufacturer will make an item, and then they'll sell it to the store. The store will say buy it for $100, and then they have to sell it to you for more than that, or they will make no money. And they're in the business of making money. So they'll maybe sell it for $120 or something like that. All right, example, a store pays $70 for a bike. The markup is 85%. What will the customer pay for the bike? So now we're going to write some steps. The first step will look similar. It's to multiply the original cost by the markup percent. So we take the $70 and we times it by the 85%, or for those of you who know, I like to use 0.85 instead. Anyhow, this is what will tell you how much money the store adds to the price of the bike. Okay, so when we do this, and I'll show you on the calculator, I'm going to use 0.85. If you like the percent key, that's fine. This is saying that they're going to make $59.50 from you buying that at a markup of 85%. Okay, now that's not really my answer in this situation. It could be your answer in some cases, but this says what will the customer pay for the bike? So now we're going to take and add this amount to the store cost, and then this will be your answer for this problem at least. Okay, so when I have the store cost, or how much the store had to pay for it, we have $70 plus the amount that we found for what they are marking it up, charging you on top of what they had to pay. And so you're going to end up paying 70 plus 59.50. And so you'll see that we get $129.50. So in other words, you're going to go to the store and pay $129.50 for that bike. And obviously that's before tax. Okay, so it's very similar to sales tax, I guess you could say, where we're adding back on. It's just, sorry, I wasn't moving enough and the lights went out. It's just where you're finding kind of a different item, a different thing here. Okay, so we just have these questions together, and then I have this one down here on your own. Finding the sell price. So here's the cost to the store, and here's the markup percent, and we want to know the cost. Okay, so how much it's going to cost us. So we take, I'm going to change colors here, be colorful. We're going to take 20 and times it by 15%, or 0.515, and that's going to give us $3. And so in other words, they're marking it up $3, so they're going to make $3 off of you. And to make $3 off of you, they have to take their cost of $20, add $3, and so the total amount that you're going to pay is $23. Okay, this one, cost to the store is $56, times the markup of 80%, or 0.8. And when we do that, we get $44.80. So you see, the bigger the percent of markup, the more they're going to make off of you, okay? This one was only 15% and they only made $3. This one is 80% and you can see it's a larger amount. All right, so to find the total cost, we take 56 and add $44.80 to it. And we get $100.80. All right, the last one, cost to the store is $110 times, now this is 140%, so you have to really be careful because some of you might want to say 0.140. So you either need to use 140 and the percent sign, or this would actually be 1.4 as a decimal. Anyhow, those are going to equal 110 times 1.4, $154. Now, you know you've done this right because see how much it costs the store? And that means it has to be at least 110 because you're over 100%. And we are over that, so we can tell that it's correct. All right, so our cost would then be taking 110 and adding 154. And so the answer is $264 is what you will pay. And you're saying, what a ripoff, because that's what I would say. You're kidding me. You're making 140% off of me? You're making more than what it costs, a lot more. You're almost doubling, okay? All right, if you will try this one on your own. Actually, I'm going to do this one with you. I don't think you'll have any try on your own this time. You'll see that this one's different because the percent is missing. So we need to do percent of change. It's the same idea that if you're missing the percent, do percent of change. So it says a store buys an item for $10 to earn a profit of $25. What percent does the store need to mark up the item? Okay, so they want to earn $25. That is not our new. Our new would be 10 plus 25 to give us $35. And so now we can take our 35, which is our new, over old, minus 1. Over 10 minus 1, so 35 divided by 10, enter, minus 1, enter, so 2.5. Now that means that it is really 250%, right? So that means oh. My goodness, I'm sorry, that light keeps on going off. 250% is what they're going to have to mark this up, and that makes sense because 100% would be another $10 to make it 20. Oh, but let's see. Okay, something's wrong here. To earn a profit, let's try doing 25 over 10, see if this makes sense. I may have told you wrong the first time. Ah, that makes much more sense. Okay, just kidding. We don't have to actually add it first. This is my new and this is my old, and so we just need to plug it in. So I'm sorry, but this is incorrect. I caught my mistake before you guys did. Yay, I should get a ticket, right? Okay, so this is what you find. This is the answer. If you have any questions, come with them tomorrow.